What's up, my fellow aquarists? Been a little while since I have put up an update on this 75-gallon aquarium, but really the only thing that's changed is I added a parrotfish. And he heard me talking about him. And this fish has actually been in there for about a year, so he's grown quite a bit since I got it, and still have the Buenos Aires Tetra in there. A couple have died over the years, so I'm down to 7 total right now in this tank, and actually moved the Cory cats to another tank that has a sand substrate, just better for them. So I'm thinking about some type of bottom inhabitant of this tank, researching the different plecos. And probably going to go with another South American Cichlid of some kind. Just fed them, well, was feeding that dude some shelled peas, and also been throwing in brine shrimp. Let's see if I can get them to feed a little bit. Get in there, buddy. Still pretty much set up in this tank, pretty much the same setup. Kind of move things a little bit. Still got a little slate in there. Oh, he's almost translucent right under that light. And that's it for now. 75-gallon freshwater aquarium. 77 degrees in holding. Fake plants, real fish, real wood. Thanks for watching.